Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This house now looks like a haunted house. It's very quiet, nobody is in here. Everything is cool, well arranged, under the courtesy of my sister. And this is how everything is. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm so much happy, and of course, thank you so much for your prayers. We give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing gift of life. And of course, not only that, we have Bunch of Joy that recently has been launched from the other planet called Planet Womb. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. And I really like to say thank you so much a million times, guys, for those who have stood with us up to this time. Today we're going to do what we call like discharge our bundle of joy from the hospital to come now home. So we're going to bring him and her. We're going to bring her home, and that's one of the best ways. So please ensure subscribe. Let me just remove this curtain so that you can have some light in here. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. It's the happiness after happiness. Happiness, 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 happiness. Oh man, I'm a dad. Yeah, so I give much thanks to you all, guys, for this amazing day and for this amazing time, for your prayers. You have really done an amazing job by praying for us and also supporting us. For those who reach out by financially, thank you so much, and my Almighty God bless you abundantly, 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 and abundantly. Because it's not hard, it's not easy time, guys, being this time, because my wife underwent what you call like C-section, and she has to be admitted in the hospital for more than 2 to 3 days plus. And yeah, so all that you know very well, it's what we call like money. But we give thanks, it was a safe delivery, very safe delivery, very 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 safe delivery. And I give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing time. Now it's time for me to go and take her from the hospital, to discharge her from the hospital completely. One thing is, I'll just give you some best news, is the baby is healthy and very well, laughing and chubby. And also my wife, she's also doing good. It's only we are nursing some womb because she was cut, so the only thing is we have to nurse the womb. So on this other end, guys, I'm back home. I'm trying to prepare her, so some clothes over here, and also myself also to prepare myself to look good as a dad now, for that I'm going to receive my child, so that I can, not these clothes, this clothes doesn't look decent. We are going to bring our girl, or we are going to bring our girl. Yes, we're going to bring our girl in a special way. Which special way? Putting on nicely, at least nicely and decent way. It can be casual, not much professional, but can be at least casual, but not just this way. So this one has been there because since I went to the hospital, I've been there. I haven't been there inside without coming out, because always I'm like this. There was somebody who was to bring me something. Yeah, because also I had to hire a car. That's one thing I just decided to do. I had to hire a car because my wife can't do what we call like can't use my motorbike right now, so I had to go hire a car so that I can transport her from the hospital to this side. Then I want to return the car. So but before that, I'll just show you the general, what we call like general packing of what I'm going to pack, just few things. And also we'll be heading there to the hospital. She wanna be with you also. You wanna ask her some questions at the comment section. How do you feel about this with me? It's total happiness. Huh? I've been crying, man. Tears of joy. You know tears of joy? Ask me. For those who always hear tears of joy, ask me. I can tell you what are tears of joy. Just ask me. So for now, I'll be just preparing like this. You know, like this is a bed for the baby. So yeah, we'll just be checking on where it will be, how it will look like. And you know, the other bed that we were given in the hospital bed is not, we cannot, so it's not like this. The hospital bed is just smaller. But this one, my kid will be, oh, not my kid, I was told to call the kid, my child. My children. You say children, yeah. So she will be here moving up and down, listening to the cool music of toys. Hey, come on, man. Huh? Did the battery go off? Let me show you what he's singing. Welcome, baby, home. Welcome to this world of wonder. Welcome home. Welcome. Ah, come on, man. Come home and feel free. Welcome home free. Yeah, let me. So the guy who was supposed to bring me a car has arrived. So let me go check. On him. Yeah, he was supposed to bring me a car so that I can be using it to go and bring. So it's a good day. It's a happy day. Now this house is going to help people now inside, because the other time, for a few, like almost a week, nobody has been there. Almost a week. So for now, there are going to be people in the house. Now we have added with me. I have fulfilled God's plan. Go out and multiply. Me have multiply 1. Okay, let's check guys and see what's happening on this other end. Yeah, so he's just going, and he just left me with the car. So yeah, the only thing is, let me test it, because testing the car is the best way. We tested with him, and yeah, it's just a nice, cool car. I can't complain. It's a very nice, cool car. Not it's at least because I don't want to just go. Don't want to go and better for me to just put it somewhere here, and then we see what's really happening at the other end. So yeah, so just packed it over there. So let me now prepare one deal done. Yeah, one deal done. Some days we'll own ours like this. So one deal done. So I'll not be hiring, because hiring, you end up spending a lot of money. So like that, you hire it for a day like $40, because it's the city here, or it depends with whom you have. It can be $40, can be $30, some goes up to $20. So it depends with whom you have, like, and also the type of the car. Some people hire car even to $100. So with me, I went for what I can. So already we have this. So one deal done. So the only thing is for you to go and see the baby home. I know you really would love to see the baby home. You really love to see the baby home. And I know that also I want also to see the baby home, also me, because I want to hear the voice of I want to hear the same voice also. You know, the moment I hear the same voice, It's very very nice and great. There's some receipts. Also, I'm eager to hear that voice inside here. So I'm very very eager to hear the same voice in here as we prepare for our baby. Over here, alright guys, so I want to freshen up. I want to just take shower. I want to just take shower, clean myself, freshen up. It's not easy. Park and then we see how everything is. Alright, see you. Baba Maria, Tukus, Sophia, 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 oh, Sophia, 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 Sophia. Don't worry guys, today, hey, I'll party, I'll drink, I'll do everything. You know, there's a time where babies were to be born, or when babies are born. It depends with your culture, your tradition. Some people drink a lot of alcohol, some people slaughter goats, some people do what we call like slaughter cow, some people they just pour libations. So it's a lot that they do. But because with me I'm not in the village, they could have the goat so that the wife can drink the soup. And yeah, and also there's that what we call like a man celebration, man-to-man celebration. There's that celebration that a man calls his friends, the age mates, and maybe they can have a beer, or they can have what we call like they smoke thousands of cigarettes. Some can do what we call like it depends with what they can drink traditional beer, they can eat meat together, they can eat like to welcome the baby. So because with me I don't have much friends over here in Mombasa, so I just welcome maybe one, because also with him he goes to work at 8 and get out of the work at 6. So, and also I don't want just to go to the bar and jump. No. I just want to celebrate it over here, not in a big way, but just that excitement, you know. As a dad, you punch, left, right, punch. Yeah, you left, right, punch. Left, right, punch. You see something like that. You guard, guard left, guard right, guard left, guard right, punch. Something like that, punch. So you do. Let me show you something. You are not supposed to punch like this straight. You'll injure your hand. You guard, punch. You see? It's like you scoop it from down. You scoop it. Something like that. So we have beaten something. We have beaten. So we are here. So let's see what it be, and also let me know at the comment section how do you celebrate at this moment. Do you drink beer? Do you drink strong alcohol? Do you eat together? Do you jump? There's several things. Some shave back, they shave very badly. Some shave just over here. Some they shave their beards. Some they go to take shower in the river. So there's a lot, and let me know in the comment section how do people celebrate. With me, I want to just go bring the baby home, then we'll be seeing what will be happening for this. But before that, let me freshen up again. You know, freshening up, a big baby, you sit here. Some push-ups. How many push-ups do you want us to do? Let us make 30 push-ups, right? 30 push-ups. 30. 10 for Minhawi, 10 for the baby, and 10 for you subscribers, okay? Let's go. Count with me. Do you see me? I don't know if you see me. I want you to see me. We want to do the push-ups. Is it the press-ups or push-ups? It depends, okay? You count. For Sky, count there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. For me, Howie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the baby. Now for you guys. Here's the hectic time. 1, 8, 9, 10 for you subscribers. And now for CJ. Oh, hard work, hard work, hard work. Hard work, hard work, hey. Hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work, hey. Alright guys, let's see what's happening. Let me freshen up, let me take shower, and we will be vamoosing direct to the hospital to go check how Min is doing, and also to discharge her, though the bill is skyrocketing. But let's thank God for this amazing time. Everything will be well. See you in the hospital. Bye. Remember to work out. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm almost ready. Yeah, it's very hot over here. I cannot try to put on a suit. It's very hot. Very, very, very hot. I tried putting on my suit. I was sweating like crazy, so even putting on a jacket like this or a jumper like this, oh man, it's very, 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 very hot. I cannot try. At least I look decent, but I'm not going to use this blazer. It's very hot, my guys, very hot. I just had my short, my white shirt, and inside here, and also my goggles, ready for our baby. But it's very hot. When I'm telling you guys it's hot, it's hot. Look from outside. Very hot. So at least I was going to put on a suit and a blazer, but even this blazer is too hot, so I'm not going to attempt putting it on. But let me just go this way. It's very hot, my guys, very hot. When I tell you hot, I mean hot. I'm sweating. Look at my face. I've been wiping. But anyway. I cannot try to put on a suit. It's super hot. So let me pick what I'm supposed to pick for now. And then I'll be heading to the hospital now, and we'll see what's happened. My legs are itching, I don't know why. My legs, I feel like to scratch my legs. I'm looking for something here, but I'm not getting it. So let's get ready. I just got what I wanted. Like that. Something small. So I think I'm not forgetting anything. that, and then yeah, just like that. Then put this in here. Yeah, so it's time for us to move. Time for us to move. But before that, let's just make the room dark a little bit. Yeah. So let's go see. There's something that I want to surprise also my wife with. And yeah. Oh, I forgot my cape. It's very hot. I just had to put on a cape. It's so hot outside here. So yeah. Grab the key. And set to vamos. Let's go. Yes, Juma. Vipi Ramadhani nakupelekaje? Iko sawa. Ngoja nifike nikishatoka huko, taangalia hata machozi ya Simba kidogo.
Sasa hizi kabisa Simba iftar.
Yeah, naelewa iftar. Sawa. Hi. So, let's just try and check. He's a very honest guy. I love him, man. He's very, very good guy. Very honest guy. And he just takes care of this area over here. He's the one who takes good care of it. And then you see, with me, I'm just putting here like a woman this way. Not I'm a dad. So let's try see. Go back and see on this other end. Okay. Let's try check how it will be. Oh, heaven will further bless us this time. But anyway, let's try see. Yeah. So let's drive through to see how everything is. Okay, so we see what's happening. Let's go check on our baby. Baby. Hopefully soon we'll not be hiring, we'll be owning our own, and it will be much better. And we'll be thanking God for good life actually. But we also thank God for this amazing time because it's a good time also for the blessings of our baby. Yeah. Let's check. We're leaving the premise. Now we are heading. Much prayers to you. God bless you all, guys, for this amazing time, for the great time that we have been together. Let's go. Yay! That's how you see this area. come to the mall to come and have some flowers before we go to the hospital, because we want to do what we call like we want to do something special for the coming of the baby. Yesterday she was cleaning, so we want to go decorate the house. So we are actually in the mall here looking for good flowers. Yeah, so all in all was for my sister. Thank you so much for oh, okay, let's see. Yeah, so guys, we are here, and yeah, so we want to have this kind of flowers. So yeah, I think that would be better. And what about this thing, Chicago?
500.
500. And this one?
500. You can play it from 500.
You go plain with 500. So I think we can mix this white and this. So what do you think, guys? If we have this white and this one, and this one, so much okay. So at least let's see what we can have, guys. Then yeah.
So guys, wanna mix these flowers. We mix the red rose and the white rose. So I wanna go show you the way they mix it. Kama ni mpei claim kwa mali ya kuparate. That's when it's my jacket. The wrapping now. They want to like the color of the wrap.
The color of the wrap.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's see the color of the wrap. Then it will be better. The other one, love.
Love.
That will be better, guys. Okay. How to
wrap the flowers?
To wrap the just wrap them. We see how it will be then. That's so nice. Yeah, I'll grow them at home. These are rose flowers. I think I have some kind of this at home. Then we see how it will be. So yeah, we came here, and whatever we came to buy is this one. So we wanna pick her when she's in the house. And we'll be saying thank you. I think we should propose again and again, so we'll see what will be happening on the other end. But yeah, happiness of a dad, that's best and great. So let's go and check what will be on that side of the beginning. People are looking at you as if you're the one having this one.
They're just thinking it's mine. The flowers are not mine.
Cover them with this thing so that they cannot wither. Yeah, that way. So yeah, let's go back to the other shopping mall. It's called Nivers. So here we are at City Mall, but oh my god, things here are crazy. They can break your bank into 0. You can be bankrupt here. I just bought a watermelon at 500 Kenyan shillings and I was like, hey, no way. Also now it's time, so we have also to add this powder, washing powder for washing baby's clothes. You know now. What is the other side of this one, Fed? This is for the washing machine. That's for the washing machine. I think this one is better. So yeah, there's music there, crazy. So I just took the washing powder for the machine. We take this, right? Which one? Lavender. Okay, take it. Because now guys will be washing for the baby clothes. Not only for the baby, no. Okay, suspect. Okay, let's see. Nothing but prayer. Nothing but prayer. Guys, so let's buy also this and then we proceed, okay? Yeah, so guys, we decided to buy tomatoes, some grapes, beetroots are already there, kiwi, and the other stuff. So I'll just show you where we are at home. So yeah, let's go. Yes, so guys, my sister was cleaning the house, so I wanna just do what we call like a preparation, just to put some balloons here and there, so that we can end the video that my sister was doing. So for now, she's trying to arrange whatever we have bought, like eggs. So we did actually like a monthly, like not a monthly but a half a week shopping. So yeah, we can see. So we bought some eggs, some grapes. My wife really loves grapes. We bought just like a lot of stuffs. So we wanna see what she's doing. So she'll be cleaning. I'll show you how also I'll be doing other stuffs. All right. And also I bought this. This is a fan. It's a movable fan. We put it at the corner like this because I don't want the contact with this, because the contact with this, it will be really crazy. When you put this here and the baby is circulating this way, it can make the baby sick. But this one you put at the corner, and then it just circulates the air downwards, so it keeps the house warm. No, not warm, but it keeps the room temperature. You know, like it acts like an AC, but not an AC. Maybe some days we wanna buy an AC, because these fans sometimes also they can cause diseases. Also, we bought this one because we are heading now to a hectic time where washing. So let me just do another work to decorate the house before we go for mini house. Okay, and also my sister is going somewhere, so let's just do this faster. Okay, this is a gift for mini house, a big surprise. They are roses actually. So I want it to be here. Also, we bought some play cards for the baby and for her. And also a small gift in here. It should be there. For now, I chew. I chew. And also I bought some sherehe for me. You know sherehe? Sherehe. It will be party for me. I don't drink. So yeah. So should I use this on this? No, I should use this and choose some from here, white, and I don't want to use black. Yeah. So I take sister, how many do you want to use? 2 or 3?
A lot of them.
A lot of them.
Yeah, even
20. You're not, you're crazy.
Yes.
You're crazy. 20 of them.
20.
20 of them is a lot. You don't even have to do it. Hey. This size?
No.
Big.
Yeah. It will burst. That size is enough.
So I close it.
Yeah.
How?
Just tie it. You tie like the way you tie other thing. Yeah, like that. You're asking me as if you have never played with balloons when you were young.
That time I was young, not now.
You want to mean that you have forgotten everything?
Something like that, okay? So let me do more of them. Let me see. Okay. Washed fruits.
And I'm already having some fruits over there.
Some are here. Fail, you should take. I don't think if this one should be. Bananas should be at the freezer.
What?
Don't put them at the fridge.
Okay.
Yeah. Take them off and put them somewhere.
Maybe wash this one.
Oh yeah. So let me just also eat this. You know, as I was doing the pressure decreased. The pressure decreased from me. So let me increase pressure.
The time that we are healing the
I was inflating it. So let me increase this one. This one's also they'll be adding vitamin to my wife. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I have inflated like 4 of them. Not 4, like 20. So then to put it like this. So I put another one like this. Bit like that just.
Let me show you the light of joy.
There?
Let me show you.
Show me. Not like this. Oh, no need of masking this.
Yes. After you have tried on this, you can now put that
Put white.
red one here.
Yeah. It's Ramadan time, guys. It's Ramadan time. Welcome home.
You can use that one later.
Welcome home. So this one should put here. We should put it here. Right here. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. And this one, I'll welcome her. So yeah, just like this. Huh? Another one there. Another one there. Yeah. Another one here. This one says, "Hi baby, hi baby." And the flowers. Huh? Yeah, mama, mina, mina, amina, mina, Billy. So yeah, guys, this is what my sister has helped me to do that way. Also, this way. This one is laughing, and also with the flowers, as you see. Hey, this guy is laughing like welcome to the world. And this one over here, this one is angry. This one is angry because okay, we have turned the back for you. So, and me here, I'm laughing. I'm like look, I'm a dad. I'm a dad. Yeah, thank you so much, sister, for cleaning the house and for helping me decorate this. Be blessed all, guys. So we will be seeing Minhawi on this video, on tomorrow's video, as we surprise her with we'll see her reaction actually, you know. So thank you so much. Be blessed all, and sure subscribe to this YouTube channel. This video started when I was not around. I was really rushing up and down, running, helter skelter, checking on what is happening in the hospital, and my sister was doing the general cleaning now, so that we wanna come here and find everything is clean, buffing, cleaning, deep cleaning, you know. Yeah, so thank you so much, sis.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and be blessed always,
And you be blessed too.
yeah, for this great time. So we will be waiting and we see how her reaction will be. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Should smile.
yeah,
Should be happy.
yeah. Thank you so much, guys. That's my sister Carol Felicitas. Yeah, soon she'll be also joining university, so she came to help me over here. And yeah, she's also schooling short courses like computer packages and other courses little by little here at Shands, where I am, for some couple of months. And she wanna join now the university. Also have a lot of tasks to go, a lot of work to go. So keep on praying for me, and also put me in prayers. Support me wherever you can, whether financially, by prayers. I really appreciate. I'm always grateful. Thank you. We are at the hospital. We are at this hospital called Nairobi Homes. So yeah, let's go in. We check how everything is going to be, and then see. Yeah, just like that. So we carry this engine off. Let's go. But before that, let's just deliver this. Then we'll be heading back to go check something special. Do you know that that song? So guys, we just arrived here. We are at the hospital, and we want to go back home. It's our last day over here in the hospital. I don't want to miss this place. I don't want to miss it actually, because if you miss the hospital, you end up being here every single time. So I don't want to miss the hospital. I don't want to miss you. I want also to just thank our doctors who really made it happen. May you all be blessed, and yeah, for taking good care of my wife, my baby, and in general also you took good care of me, because you gave me 2 beds. I could in other hospitals there's only 1 bed for the patients, but also they decided you must have your other bed with your wife over here, a chair, a baby bed. So everybody had had her own bed. And the funny thing is, I took away the baby, so me I was sleeping here with the baby, very near, very near with the baby while looking. And also through this, you have a mosquito net that you cover it over here. So it's a very nice hospital actually, guys. And also I'm recommending for you, if you are in Mombasa or in Bamburi area, and you're like, man, I want my wife to give birth a certain hospital like this. You're all welcome. They are very friendly, and literally you just love it on your own. The way me I'm loving it. Even if I feel a headache, I'll be rushing here just to come and listen to their voices. Also the nurses here, very nice, very great. Their voices also gives you the therapy in the mind. You feel they're having this best voice to comfort you very well. So yeah, me I'm packing. I'll be packing, and also behind this we have my wife here. So you can turn the but let me just cover the baby so that they cannot see the baby. Hope they will not see the baby.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching us from. It's me, Howie, and guys, how are you doing?
The husband.
And the husband. How are you doing? We're well, we're doing well, we're doing fine. You can see from, I don't know if I'm glowing or I'm swollen or something. Yeah, we got our baby is here, everything is fine, everyone is healthy, and that's what we've been praying for all this while. Yeah, so today is the last day here in hospital, and our intentions are to go home just right after this, you know. Yeah, we've spent some days here, so it's time to pack and leave, you know. Yeah, thank you so much for always praying for us, for the prayers. They worked miracles. We're here, we are, you know, we are healthy. So like baby is healthy, I am healthy, husband is healthy, everyone else around us is healthy. So we want to stretch and go back home. He came to pick me. Yeah, and he's packing.
What about my outlook? I tried to put on a suit. I sweat.
You cannot even put on a suit.
The whole body was water. It was like.
Yeah, it's so hot. Yeah. So guys, we're heading home right after this. I don't think we have anything else that hasn't remaining. We've packed. We forgot our towel is there. And I also need to know if they're going to my wound. I don't know what about it, what they're going to do about it. They haven't told me anything.
Now I have to call them so that they can come and they see what.
Okay. Yeah, I think you can put
a prayer like they give us what you call like they give us go ahead how
to do.
Yeah, what to do.
Yeah.
How everything is going to be.
Yeah.
Because we cannot go home without their consent. I think I forgot the nurse. Here we know how everything is going. We hear what's going to happen, what's going to be, how we're going to take care, or will they be coming home to check on the wound? Will we be coming back to check on the wound?
Yeah.
So yeah.
We'll see. We'll get the answers.
But for now, I'm packing. Don't mind about this, guys. Don't mind about me packing right now, because the time when I was packing. Which one are we going to remain with? Okay,
this one.
Okay.
These are enough.
Okay. And then we'll be seeing what will be happening. I think I'll take this first to the car. Then
but we can also put that card inside so that you don't forget. You can also ask maybe there's a resident, there's a nurse there.
There's no resident here.
There's nobody up there.
There's nobody around here. They're all down.
Okay.
Maybe we page them.
Yeah, maybe.
We page them, they rush here again.
Yeah.
We just ask, but
this is our flask and this is our cup.
This is the tumbler.
Yeah.
I want to drink this porridge now.
Yeah. You want to drink it?
Not now. What else are we remaining with?
That one put inside there. So that it's just one luggage.
Anything else? Trying to balance. Guys, I'm poor at packing, but my packing helped a lot. Because we tried, I won't give any secret. We packed clothes. When we were packing the other day on our packing video, when we were packing, and Minai was just pack this small, these bigger ones are bigger, too big for them. You know, when the baby is born, it will be this way. But I was so surprised when we were giving the clothes and they were too small. Even the capes, we had to extend them. So I had to rush back to go to just like not rush back, but the clothes that I just insisted to put them on are the ones that really worked well.
Yeah.
So we had to go back home again to come with other more clothes, the bigger ones, which is very good and nice. So sometimes when I'll be packing the bag, don't compliment.
I won't interfere.
Yeah, let me do my work. So what's the next?
I think that's it. The thermos you can carry it. I don't think my shoes are down here.
So
And this one will carry the baby here. I need new shoes, guys. Can I embarrass you?
Just embarrass me. I bought her shoes. She
Guys,
left them in the village.
These shoes are old.
And the funny thing is, the legs were very big. We could go to the.
My legs were very big, but they were
very
swollen.
big. I swear before Christ, I bought her shoes.
Big or
like
swollen?
Like this.
Say the right
No,
word.
they were so swollen.
They
But
say
that,
big. They feel like they feel like Moriet.
no, the legs were so were swollen. So to me they were big. The only shoes in the house, we can go even now. The only shoes in the house that fits her now were these ones. So
And they're very old.
and they are very old. So the only thing is, for now, we can go now do small massage on the legs. Then we wait until the swelling is gone, and then I spoil you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Relax. You see, even me, I'm here like I'm Kulima.
I'm Gulima. I don't like
worry.
this. I don't like the shoes. So we'll change them. No,
These
no,
ones
no.
are for the rich people.
No.
Rich Kikuyus.
Those are for Kikuyu shoes.
Rich Kikuyus.
Kikuyu like this and
You see them
massage.
with the machine, a folding machine. Clutch in. You see, that's only like this. With those safari boots. You remember safari boots?
Yeah.
The ones that you reaches here. And these ones. If you go for if you just
Can you press that so that the nurse can be coming? Because
let me page them. So if you want to page them, no call. Just like that. So the moment like that, you have paged them. That's how digital this place is again.
yeah.
So at least let's wait and see.
Okay.
Yeah. Means when you you could have prayed for us. Yeah, you could have prayed for us. Yeah, for this time. Yes. Yeah, tuombe.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that
Where is screen? Like I can use this to review. Come on, buy.
no, we can buy.
All these ones.
That's the okay.
And in the future.
Okay, guys, it's time to get out. It's time for us to go home now. We are going. So, can you walk on your own or I carry you out the bag? Okay. Okay, guys, she'll just be walking. So with us, let's have this. Our beautiful dance suit is going to be with us at this time. Hello. Going to be with us at this time. You'll be holding me. Okay, you want to hold the rail. Okay. So guys, we are moving. Tell the world that I'm going home. Okay. So we are leaving the hospital. Let me just do something here. I wanna see something. Yeah, so guys, my sister went up with the baby because I don't want on the other end, because I couldn't have carried the baby riding. They also in Howie, so they're here. So she's even not going to the house. Hi.
Hi.
You're tired going up the stairs?
I'm so tired going up the stairs, but I have to. That's why I chose a house.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, welcome
guys.
home.
Huh?
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
Thank you so much.
I don't want to just to put you standing here.
Yeah.
For
'cause
long.
It's
You're feeling
yeah,
bad.
pain. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Mm.
Yes, you know she underwent whatever she.
What did I undergo?
Eh?
What did I undergo?
In my language, they say you are circumcised.
No, that's not circumcision.
She was going and
It
she
was
had
a C-section.
It was a C-section. C-section.
Section.
Anyway, we
A
are back.
C-section. Yeah.
C-section.
Yeah.
So come, baby, come.
Ouch.
Welcome home. Welcome home.
See, I'm coming home.
Welcome home.
Welcome home.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Come, baby. Come.
Hi.
It's been like 10 minutes.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I think congratulations. Don't shout. The baby will come out.
You guys have taken my baby all inside already without me bringing her to the house. They went ahead and did it. Before even I could see her. Look at the pull. I don't want to laugh because no, when I laugh it feels painful. Can I sit? Can I sit?
Come sit.
Okay, let me sit first.
But before you sit.
Okay.
Welcome home, baby.
Aww,
Hey,
that's so
welcome
sweet.
home, baby. Hey,
Hey.
smile with this guy. Say
Hi.
if you
I don't want it to pop on my face.
Hey, guys, you see this guy? Hey,
Okay, can I sit? Can I sit?
Come this side is the light here.
Are you listening to me? Can I sit?
Wait fast.
I'm
Welcome
tired
this
of
side.
standing.
Welcome this side. Hey, here is your fine roses.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, they have a nice smell.
Are they cute?
They're cute.
Hey.
This one, they are called fine roses.
Fine roses.
Fine roses. They are
Wow,
red
guys,
and
have you
and
ever?
white roses.
Can you man ever?
Thank
Can
you
you
so
African
much.
man ever? Thank you.
And here we laugh. Welcome home.
Okay, let me sit down because I
Sit
think
down,
he's so
sit down.
excited he doesn't even listen to me
Sit
anymore.
down.
So-
You know, everything is good.
Yeah.
Cold water?
No, it's my stomach.
Can I bring you cold water?
No, I cannot take cold water.
Hot?
Okay, wait first. Let me receive this first.
You are a queen. You want to be treated like a queen.
Yeah, so.
You are my African queen. Hey.
All of my dreams. You take me where I've never been. You make my heart ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Oh yeah.
These are cute. Oh my god, they are well organized. Wow, guys.
Thank you for making me a daddy.
And your stomach has grown. What were you eating?
I was eating, baby. There's also another gift. There's also another gift here. Bahati.
And we have flowers.
Yes.
Balloons.
Flowers.
But you see, this one is you. This is you.
Uh-huh.
This one is you smiling.
Uh-huh.
And here are some other girls standing back.
They're frowning.
Yeah,
Hey,
they're
you
frowning.
see?
They're
The
like,
other girls are frowning.
they're like,
Were they angry? What
they're
happened?
angry, like, why?
Why her, not me?
So here it is, guys.
Wow, I love this bouquet.
Yeah. So
This is perfect. Wow. I wish you had a vase.
yeah, I'll improvise.
I wish you
one.
had a vase so that
Cut
you can
it down,
put
put
them
inside
inside,
water, so that they can.
and then you put them there.
Yeah.
Wow.
So put this
Cute.
aside.
Uh-huh.
This one. So have this. Not the balloons.
Okay.
Balloons is for me. You know this is me always. Happy man.
Okay.
So
Love.
love you.
Oh, love. Who is
Love
you?
you.
Who is you?
Me.
I love you too. I love you too.
Come here, Phil. Come here.
What are these?
Yeah. These ones.
Oh, it's hot.
And I I bought a fan from there. So for this, hey, this one will crash here right now.
Let me help you.
Wedding wishes for the lovely couple.
Yes, I want you to read it loud. All of them.
Okay,
Yes.
wedding wishes for the lovely couple.
Yes.
Beautiful things happen when two hearts promise to live and love as one. As you begin a new life, here's to wishing you that your marriage be blessed with happiness continuous. Congratulations to the wonderful couple. Wow. Okay. These are cards. You went and just carried all of them.
Yeah. Read
You're
another one.
crazy.
There are a lot. This is for baby.
Oh, congratulations on your arrival of your new baby girl.
Yeah, read.
We are so grateful for God for this little girl that has joined our family. Her birth is special, and we pray that her life will be just as special. Congratulations on both of you on your new baby girl. Hello. That's nice. Oh my God, and there are many. Her baby girl.
Yeah.
Oh, baby girl.
Yeah.
Today you're welcome a new baby girl into your family. May the sound of her laughter and gleam in her eyes be as joy to you and your family. Congratulations on the new baby girl. Yes, get your own. Love you,
Yes.
love you.
Yeah.
I choose you, and I'll choose you over and over without pause, without doubts, without in a heartbeat. I'll keep choosing you. It's a miracle, just like the sunshine makes the flower grow. That's just the way you change my whole life. My whole life show through the sunshine of your tender love. This is the sweetest. I'll choose you to be so sweet. I love you too.
Thank
That's so
you.
nice. Together forever.
Yes.
Sweetheart. Hey. Omera.
They say Koreans don't know how to love. We love.
We love.
We have.
Okay, my
I
friend.
can love you. I love you.
Okay, it says, my friend, my love, I love you without knowing how or when. What's this? When or when? Sorry.
Whenever.
It should be whenever, I think.
Yeah.
I love you without knowing how, whenever, from when or from where. I love you simply.
When it's when.
When or from where? Okay.
Yes.
I love you simply without problems or pride. I love you. This was because I don't know any other way of loving you. Wow.
That's my love language.
That's the love language. Cards. This is so sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Sean.
Now,
These are so cards.
big gift is
For real?
there. Now there's big gift from Malaysia.
Ah,
From Malaysia.
what is this? I swear.
You go in.
Oh,
Come,
yeah.
sis, come hold it this way.
What is this?
You don't cry.
Maybe I'm a crybaby. Oh. Oh, this is so sweet. Wow.
Welcome.
Okay.
Show them, what is it?
Thank you. It's a watch,
A wristwatch?
a wristwatch, and a necklace, right? And earrings.
Yeah.
Wow.
And, they're very special.
Thank
And
you.
very nice and very extra expensive.
Ah,
Both with passion, heart, lovely, and very great.
wow. This is nice.
It's good. Make sure they don't go with your wrist in the streets.
Okay.
Yeah, and if
Wow. I don't remember the last time I wore a watch.
Help her to put the watch in her wrist.
Okay. Yeah.
no, let this be here. That way.
I'm sweating. Look.
You know the thing.
You're sweating.
Yeah. Fair.
Wow. Well, thank you, guys.
So I want to do what you call like. Huh?
You remove this, there's
No.
a nylon paper.
Okay. Yeah. So I want to remove this.
Then you open the
How do we open this?
and you help me.
From this side, right?
The other side.
This side.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just like that. And then we open it from here. And then
Wow. I'm excited about this. I'm not even paying attention. Wow. This is nice. Even the packaging.
you know I'm poor in unboxing. It's very hey guys, this
Wow.
one is very okay. Welcome home, baby.
Thank you.
Welcome home. We missed you. This house was like a haunted house without you.
Are you for real?
Yes.
When you come here, I'm not it's
Hey, it's
crazy.
a haunted house. So this one
Can
I
I
have to
give you
cut.
scissors?
Yeah, bring scissors. Yeah, guys,
Okay.
I bring the camera.
Okay.
You know it's original. If you want to do original things, you can't open them with your bare hands.
Ah,
Eh? And we want you to read it from here. It's glittering.
it's nice.
So this
thank you.
one, I want you to keep time.
On what?
Baby, on baby.
Uh-huh.
I want you to keep time. I want you always to see, oh, it's time for breastfeeding. It's time for baby to be washed.
To be washed.
It's time to change diapers. So I don't want you. What's the time? No, I want you to always be with this watch, even if it's not there. Maybe if you want to go to special occasions, you have this. There's some also earrings there and a necklace.
Thank you. I've seen them and they look like.
I'll put. Are they already?
They're blocked for
They're
now.
blocked a little bit.
Maybe we'll do them.
I'll do it sometimes, guys.
This side.
Yeah. Even my sister, who is a pro of doing this, she doesn't know to open it. Come on.
You think I'm
Master planner. And the planner behind this. Fair. Mekata.
no?
If you cut this, I sell you in Mombasa here. I'll say, guys, I'm selling my sister for free. Who will buy?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one. Is it
I
left
hope
or
it
right?
will fit. You know what? This
No,
my
one
hands
the
are swollen.
left hand.
Left hand is this one.
No, right hand.
My
This
hand is
way?
swollen from the injections.
So this way. And then, am I even proposing, guys? Come this side first. This is the second time I'm proposing in another way. Proposing for the second time. You see, it's allowing. It's time. You know, it's very
Yeah,
free.
it's heavy and nice.
I'm telling you, it's gold. It's not fake things.
Perfect.
Don't buy fake things. I'm not
Okay.
fake.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not fake. And also this
This
one.
one will now.
Now this one, I know.
Because
This one will be connecting on the other end.
I think so.
Yeah, so
So we can keep it for now.
yeah, let's put it here.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
Thank
You think me children?
You're not children.
Me not children.
Thank you.
Me, this is gift. These are just for just. Time is coming.
Time is coming.
Surprise you with big things.
Wow,
Okay?
guys. I actually thought like, oh,
Yeah?
you've outdone yourself. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you for carrying that baby for me.
Thank you.
Thank you for carrying the angel for me. So this one you open. Some days now you do a special
Proposal.
which will be listen. Well, bring me here.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome, baby. Thank you so much, babe.
Thank you.
And
I'm so
I adore
grateful.
you. I appreciate you for this time, for the great moments up to now. And yeah, it has actually come like an anniversary for our love. Until now, we are family. It may nothing come between us. Even if we fight sometimes,
We fight a lot.
We fight a lot. We quarrel. We exchange words. May it not break the bond, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Also,
And I love you too.
love you too, right?
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
What can you say to the people? We are ending the video
Well,
right now.
I'm
We're
so
waiting
grateful
you.
for this man here.
Yes.
He's like the most annoying person you can ever meet.
For me, I'm like this. Let me bring you guys. That's why I told you in this house. In this house, we are this way. At some point, we laugh. At some
It
point,
was me talking.
we are here. We are this way.
It was me giving something, saying
Yes,
something about
yes.
you. Yeah, so he was the most annoying person, and he's the most loving person at the same time, and the most happy person. He's like it's like an all-round person and guy. So I'm so grateful to be in your life as well.
Yeah.
And guys, I do appreciate him a lot. He does a lot for me as well. And being together and having a baby together is like it's like maybe I could say a dream that we never had, but that just came to happen.
Yeah.
And we are so grateful that maybe has made us become more bonded together. So we have the same ambitions and the same goals, and I hope that we prosper, we grow. I pray that this year be the year that we even start our construction,
Absolutely.
we start our home,
Yeah.
and we go on.
We
And continue
guys.
growing.
Yeah, and we will never walk alone.
Yeah, and also guys who have been with us working on this journey, praying for us. Like I know a lot is going on right now, But and also just we are so grateful for you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for praying for us. Mostly your prayers have been very immense, and we felt them.
Yeah.
Thank you, and we've come to the end of this journey of pregnancy. So we are
going to start a new one, and
of
also
taking care of the baby.
Taking care of the baby. So also don't go away now. Me, I was watching the pregnancy
Series.
episodes, but now here is coming the other episodes, chapter, the new Netflix.
Yeah.
The new movie.
Now we have to
the
take
new
care of the
knackers.
baby. Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm so grateful, and the flowers are amazing.
Thank you so
I've never-
much.
That bouquet.
Bring the
has-
flowers here. You
That
want?
bouquet is something else.
Yeah, hold
It's
on,
not-
hold on with the right hand.
It's not playing.
Yeah.
This one, guys. Ish, this is something.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you are loved.
I love you too.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
Hello.
I love you, baby.
Hello, my baby.
Hello, baby.
Have you seen that
I
video?
wanna see you. I wanna love you. I wanna
Thank you,
know
thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
And
Road to 30,000 subscribers and
Uh-huh.
road to 10,000 subscribers.
yes.
Now, whatever that has been holding her back has come out. Expect more videos and more reaction and more amazing.
Okay.
It's coming very soon. So
thank you, guys.
always
Huh?
be here.
I
Stay
think
tuned,
I'm a bit softer now.
and
I'm very
also
soft.
keep on supporting us, guys. I
Yeah.
told you, not only even by watching,
Mhm.
but also commenting down below. And if you wish to support us by financially, you're welcome.
Welcome.
We are here. Reach out at the description point. There's our numbers. What's up? Thank you.
I love these flowers, honestly.
Alright.
And thank you for the beautiful baby.
I
Guys,
wanna
the baby
love
is
you, baby.
beautiful. Have I told you? She's pretty.
I'll show you some
Beautiful.
days.
Yeah.
Some days.
Anyway,
For
thank
now,
you, guys.
I wanna love you, baby. I wanna I know. Shake your bum.
He's so happy. He's been like happy since the day she was born.
There's a song we used to sing. Chikalilonga, twende sukuma, chikalilonga. Chikalilonga, twende sukuma.
Okay.
Alright, guys, thank you so much, and bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. We love you.